Some people will intentionally sleep with a girl on her menses because they understand the power of blood covenant. And they will casually tell you, oh, you know, when you sleep with a girl, when she's having her menses, that girl will never leave you. There is a revelation. I even had another occultic man saying that even though to wash nyota yake, either by the blood of a virgin, and I don't know which day of her menses, that blood washes the star. These rituals. Somebody say blood covenants. Am I speaking to anyone? See, ni deliverance bila kuanguka na heshima tu. Sasa unakumbuka class 4, haukuwa na viatu, umeshika dish, umeingizwa box, na kabisa ukaingia, na kabisa mukaguzisha tudamu. Saizi kabisa maisha isongi. Marriage is number 1 on your prayer list. Go and divorce that covenant.